Okay guys, yeah, so right now I just going to attempt to face my headaches. As I told you earlier that, you know, everything there looks nice and dandy, but really and truly I have quite a lot of flaws. Okay, first of all, let's look at this wall. You guys can see up there, see how the wood is out. It's way out of plumb. So I have to try and see how I can fix that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up there, remove this wood here in this corner, and then try and knock this back. But first I have one nail. I only, because of how it is, I only put one nail in this area because I know I'm gonna have to take it out. What I should not have done is home the nail. You can see I home that nail. So what I'm going to use to remove that nail is I have my pincher. As a pincher I use, yeah, I have my pincher and my hammer. I'm going to see if I can get the pincher in there with my hammer and see if I can uproot that nail. Let's hope I can do that without killing myself. Yeah. It is what it is. And well, that's that floor. Let me just show you another area. Yeah, if you see down there, after I put up this, apparently my bottom plate was crooked, so then when I nail it down, and then those guys came out in place. That's going to be a little tricky to fix. Now if I had some long screws, somebody told me if I had some long screws and I screw it from below, then it would pull this thing downwards. Unfortunately I don't have no long screws right now, and I'm not going to purchase any. So what I'm going to attempt to do, I'm going to use the ratchet. I'm going to wrap the ratchet around that, and I'm going to see if I can connect it down there somehow. And of course I'll have to take out that diagonal brace first before I can do that, and then I'll ratchet down to see if the ratchet can pull that down. And then when the ratchet pull it down with the ratchet still on it, then I'll put back my diagonal brace. So that's the second issue. The next issue is right here. As you can see, I was trying to fix that. I remove it, but it was a challenge. I suspect I'll use the ratchet there as well, but then I have to uproot all those nails. I don't know if you can see that. I have to uproot all those nails there. Yeah, and to get that in line, because let me see if I can show you guys on this side, because you see how it is. If you observe, you see that little edge there. I have a 1/2 inch edge. The 1/2 inch edge has to go all the way up, but then when it reach up, you can see the wood is, that means this area is bent, and it's definitely bent up there, and I end up nailing it bent. I don't know how I end up doing that, but there is little challenges, so I have to unnail it, which I have already unnailed, but it's a little difficult to send the wood back even if I unnail it, because the nails are there. So I have to find a way to get all the way up there and take off the nails, because I definitely can't pong it out because of how it is. And then I'll use the ratchet to pull that back if I can't do it by my hand, which I doubt I can because it's really stiff. So that's that. And rigging, do I have any issues? I have a few more little issues, different areas. Yeah, little issues here and there. So basically all my walls are up except the little lintel that has to go over the doorway and the door, basically the door frame coming in this area. And it's raining, so you can see I still have my tarpaulin there. I won't take out the tarpaulin. Yeah, so that's about it that I plan to do today. Well, I don't know how much I can, maybe more than likely it's only that I might be able to accomplish. is not going to be easy. Yeah, if I keep recording, I'll finish all the memory on my phone. A little bit more challenging than I thought. Okay, let me try the crowbar. Yep, wasn't too bad at all. Now, in order for me not to die, see how that's shaking? I need to brace that before I go up and take it out. Ensure that the brace on a stud. Yep. That wasn't so bad. Really? I have to take out everything, most of it. If I'm looking like I need a ratchet, I can simply just put it in place and nail its skin. Yeah, I seen my neighbor have a clamp right on his porch there. I can borrow it, it's not there. I can see if I can clamp that up there instead before I nail it, you know. Okay, let's see if I can get that done. Okay, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my my memory died on me. I we just have a few seconds left. So let me just show you guys. But I was able to do a lot. Just show you guys, well, some of it. Yeah, so this is the area I was setting up. As you can see, I put the hood in place. It wasn't so easy. It was a little tough. I actually see my life pass before my eyes a few times doing that. But if you notice, I don't know if you can observe, but I just go closer. But I give it quite a lot of nails. You know, I was able to use the clamp as I told you guys about. So I fixed this side. It's just to reconnect that. I might have to take out everything and just try and straighten it, because you can see the wood is on the side. And then also what I say I was going to do with the ratchet there. The ratchet wasn't so successful, but it helped. You know, it helped to pull this down. So when I tighten it, I went up, I put this piece of wood there as a brace, and then I went up and I just knock it down with a heavy hammer, and it went down all right. It's not flush, but it's much better than it was before. The only thing I'm missing to do now is up there. I suspect I can use the same clamp to see if I can just clamp it together so that they come together. Obviously I won't be able to record that for you guys. I'll see if I can show you all the finished product like I'm doing right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hey, I have a few seconds. I don't know about you guys, but this is perfect. And let me tell you now, the type of things I do, things you need 6 and 4 hands to do, I do not in 1 and 2 hands in. You have to be smart when you're working, you know, people. You have to be smart when you're working. And it's raining. See that? Put that, like I said, you're joking. I put that flush and it wasn't 100. It wasn't so easy. It wasn't so easy. Yeah.